So we have some good breaking crypto news I need to keep you and updated with and let you know about. This is a big deal. And so I want to talk to you about this. As always, thanks for your support. And I appreciate everything that you do in supporting my channel. So this is the news I wanted to tell you about. And so if we zoom in on this, let's make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. So approximately 24 minutes ago, or take Watcher.guru broke this news. Obviously, it's breaking everywhere in the financial markets. U.S. inflation has now fallen to 3% lower than expectations. Okay, and I'm going to bring this back to crypto, so bear with me because this is a big deal. Okay, so right here, inflation rises at slowest pace since March of 2021. So, approximately what, March? Approximately 16 months ago. Okay, it's rising at slowest pace. I'm going to remind you that our target is 2%. Okay. So our target is a 2% number. And right now we are at a 3% number. Okay. And so the fact that we came in at 3% lower than expectations is a big deal. It says very simply that inflation is starting to ease a little bit. Obviously, the measures that we've been taking as far as all the interest rate hikes and everything that's been going on have been working. Now, obviously, there's been fallout and effects from that. We've got some bank crisis, banks going under, things of that nature. And we may still see that kind of stuff. But right this moment, this is something that dramatically impacts crypto, is the inflation and the fallout from that. Because if you really kind of bring it back to a very simple scenario, if inflation is high, that means that your money physically just doesn't go as far. It costs you more to fill up your car. It costs you more to go to the grocery store and just more. It just costs you more on a day-to-day basis. And that creates fear and anxiety and uncertainty in the minds of people globally. And inflation is not just a USA problem. It's obviously, been rampant across the globe as well. So this is a good news scenario. And you can see that it's actually playing out in the crypto market fairly well. Crypto's now bounced back up. You can really see the impact over on stocks. You can see that as of the recording of this video, the stock markets are not open yet. So we're looking at the futures, and the futures are reacting extremely positively, up 181 on the Dow, up 138 on the NASDAQ. And so this is something that I'm going to continue to watch and keep an eye on for you for the rest of the day, obviously, as we roll on. But this is one of those big ones that, as you know, if you watch any of my content, I talk about inflation a lot. Quite frankly, I'm tired of talking about inflation, but it's been the centerpiece and the backdrop of all of, what's been going on in crypto and in stocks for the last, year and a half plus. Okay. So this is good news. The inflation falling 3%. That's good stuff. Lower than expectations. This is good. This bodes well for all of crypto as we roll along into, this week and next week and things of that nature. All right. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.